My Randox experience has been very good. We instituted our Randox instrument, the Evidence Investigator, about 3 years ago, and we're very happy with the results. They're very reliable, and the best part is that we've increased our testing ability threefold by instituting the Randox.
Okay, we have the Randox products as a high level of confidence for the use in many fields, as toxicology, as food, as in clinical applications. Then those products are the best product for us in the world, and that's the reason we are very confident on Randox full line of products.
One of them is a beta agonist. It's a compound that is used to make muscle on the animals, but it's of course not allowed by the law to use it. Its name is clenbuterol. We use it to test it that most of our animals, and of course the final product for the customers, for the clients, are free of that particular compound.
We initially developed our own customizable biochip for DUID and postmortem testing. We have since transitioned to the stock DUID biochip that we are currently using for the same testing.
The first product that we used was ELISAs for determination of clenbuterol on meat, and also some other like phenylbutazone and boldenone. That's the first product that we use.
Yeah, we support the Drug Recognition Expert Program in the state of Arizona. We corroborate the findings of these DRE officers to support driving under the influence of alcohol and drugs. So we have the #1 and #2 DRE programs that we support from the state of Arizona. The Randox instrument allows us to screen these samples and readily identify samples that we send on for confirmation. And then that supports the officers in prosecution of these DUI driving cases.
Randox is very different from competitors, because competitors only have a screening of one residue in one sample, and Randox is the company that offers multiple testing in one sample. That is a very good advantage over all the competitors.
Instrumental in regards to the ability to detect these drugs of abuse that are impairing drivers, and the ability to successfully prosecute these cases. Randox is just one of those vital instruments that we utilize, but it allows us to be accurate where we're screening it and then we're confirming it. So our goal is always to have no false positives, and that's what we see in this case with the Randox, is that we've been able to identify these drugs and not have any false positives.
We were having a lot of false positives with the other kits from another company that we were using. So we start together with the national authorities to run samples with the Randox, and finally found that you can reduce false positives and even have a lower cut down, which was very useful for us.
Yeah, I think the timeliness and the speed of the Randox evidence analyzer was very appealing. So in our laboratory, we're always looking for ways to be as efficient and productive as possible, so we can reduce the backlog and we can turn around cases in a timely fashion. So the Randox evidence analyzer helped us achieve that goal.
You have complete results in one sample preparation, and is the best advantage of the Randox products. And I recommend a lot using Randox.
I'm looking for new technologies, instruments that can give us more reliability and be more accurate, precision, and In all the industry, what we really need is screening tools, and once you get a positive, then you have also to go for confirmation with LC, MS or something like that. So this will be a cheaper way to do it, but it's highly accurate, so that most of these will be positive at the end by confirmation.
I think the technology is applicable to a large number of different types of testing within our field, to include human performance, which is DUID testing, as well as post-mortem toxicology. So I would recommend the technology to other laboratories.